my name is Amber. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. It's been a few minutes, but I'm so excited to share with you this collaboration I'm doing with VIVAIA shoes. You may have heard of them. They're a sustainable shoe brand, and I got to pick out some lovely sandals that will transition perfectly from spring into summer. And I'll be sharing a variety of ways to style these sandals, from business casual to more feminine and playful. But first, let's unbox them. VIVAIA shoes come in these lovely boxes made out of recycled materials. I love that. And the first sandal is the Jade sandal in almond. So here is the Jade sandal. I love the stylish modern design. They're so cute. So let's try them on. Here are the sandals paired with a lovely Free People maxi dress. And I just have to say, these are so cushiony and comfortable and breathable. And fun fact, each shoe is made out of 6 recycled plastic bottles. So it is a win-win. You are helping the environment while being stylish. And they have such a nice amount of heel to them, just enough to give you that height, but very comfortable as you go about your day and walk in them. So again, whether I'm out and about getting my nails done or out to brunch on the weekends, I would pair these sandals with a maxi dress and then probably some denim. I've been loving this look, just a nice flowy spring summer dress with my sustainable Agolde denim jacket, and now my sustainable summer sandals. Although I've been loving to wear flowy pastel maxi dresses, I also love a good form-fitted moment. So I thought that something on the neutral side would really complement and be that monochromatic look I'm going for with the Jade sandals. So I'm wearing this French Connection midi dress, and then the knitted design is really trendy for spring-summer 2023. So I loved all the shapes going on in this dress. And the form fit. And it looks so nice with the detail on the sandals. All these geometric shapes. I'm here for it. So cute. This sandal and midi dress look would be perfect for an evening out to dinner or a weekend at the beach. Just add a tote bag and a straw hat and you're set. Not only can these sandals be paired with some playful summery dresses, but they can also be paired with something more elegant for an evening function, a formal dinner or event, such as this 100% silk dress from Reformation. I absolutely love the pairing of the neutral sandal, an appropriate amount of heel, with the silk slip dress. I think it's so elegant and not to mention so comfortable. My feet are not sore at all, and they would not be for an evening event. So I plan to wear this for an evening event this week. It'll work out so perfectly. So my next pairing with the Jade sandal is a little bit more casual on the bottom, but still very feminine and playful on the top. And this Page silk blouse does just that. It's so comfortable too. And I'm pairing the Jade sandal with a Agolde organic cotton denim and a 100% silk sheer blouse. I love the sheerness personally. I think it would be very sassy and sexy for the evening. However, for day wear, a bit more casual, or to the office, I opted for a 100% silk camisole, which is Jessie Lou Collection, a Bay Area based designer. And then I paired over it the blouse. I personally love the tucked look. As you can see, the tucked in look really accentuates the waist and gives a nice figure flattering look. And then next I would pair my crossbody purse and some stylish sunglasses to complete the look. All right, the other sandal I have to show you is the beautiful sandal called Yaffa, and it is again in the almond color. I'm just really going with the neutral tones so that my shoes will go with everything I own. So versatile, These are so cute. Come on. These are so fun. These would be perfect for the office or so fun with a dress, as well as the outfit that I'm wearing. So let's see them on. I love having a playful top and a playful shoe. They're super cute. They're even more flattering on than in the box. And I wanted to mention that my code for 10% off of Vivaia's shoes is vlove. I will include it on the screen as well as in the description below, as well as all the details of the sandals and outfits I'm wearing in this video. Let's see the next look. So a great casual look paired with these sandals would be denim again, and a white tank, but make it edgy. I love the asymmetry, the edginess, the different width of straps with this tank top from One State. These sandals add a lot of interest to the outfit, and then the edgy top also adds interest up top. I love this look. I love all the neutral tones. It feels so good for spring and summer. Another lovely pairing with these sandals, and probably one of my all-time favorites, is a classic timeless white button-up. I love how effortless this is. It is literally just a blouse, denim, and these modern sandals. And yet it is so chic and elegant and office appropriate. And if I were to go to the office or a business meeting, I would additionally pair a blazer over top, such as this one. It's also a Jessie Lou collection. And it really just polishes off and elevates the total look. And so conveniently, I can just take it off at the end of the day to run some last minute errands. I love that. And last, but definitely not least, I'm pairing the Yaffa sandal with this super flattering, it's called Mill or Millie, maxi skirt. It has pockets. This look is so chic, and it would be the perfect transitional look from spring to summer. It's also super versatile. You can just roll up the sleeves to change the feel. And I love it. Very chic, great for the weekend or great for the office. I hope you enjoyed these stylish Vivaia sandals and outfit pairings as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. And again, you can use my code VLOVE for 10% off these sandals or other shoes from Vivaia. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.